Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your camera model is the Canon R and the current firmware version. Fully charge the battery to 100% before you begin any update process. Use a formatted SD card with at least 8 GB of free space for the firmware file. On your computer, download the correct firmware file from Canon support. The download is typically about 6.2 MB in size. Verify the file name matches the model and the version number. Copy the firmware file to the SD card root directory and do not place it inside any folder. With the camera powered off, insert the SD card and then power the camera on. Open menu, navigate to Firmware and select Update to begin the installation. Follow on-screen prompts and confirm you want to proceed when asked. Do not remove the card or power off the camera during the update. Expect the process to take about 2 minutes and to show progress on the display. After the camera restarts, open menu and confirm the new firmware version in Firmware information. If the version matches the expected number, then the installation succeeded and you can continue shooting. If an error occurred, power off, reformat the SD card and the camera, and repeat the update from the original firmware file. Keep a backup of your settings and image files before updating to avoid accidental loss. If problems persist, contact Canon support and provide the camera model and firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.